Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change email for PlayStation account without PlayStation. So guys, in order for you to do that, you have to do this on a PC. So first thing that you will do is simply go to playstation.com, and from here just click on sign in on the top right and just simply sign in into your account by providing your email and password. Now guys, once you are signed in, just click on your profile over here or this icon with a smiley face, and from here just go to account settings on the drop down. And once you are here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the security over here on the left side and click on continue. And after that, it will redirect you to another page, and you should be able to see here your sign in ID or email address. So just click on edit over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and change your email address over here. And from there, once you have provided your new email address, just click on save. And from there, guys, an email verification will be sent to you. So guys, it will look something like this. So from here, just simply click on verify now. And from there, you should be able to change your email. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!